Hey, what's good, everybody? Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make my special chicken titties recipe. All chicken titties is charcoal fin Kool-Aid. We use 2 packets. And get you guys a chunk of chicken breast. Slice the chicken breast, cut it into cubes in size depending on what species of catfish you're going after. We're fishing for blue cats, so today we got some decent sized chunks. So it's very easy, guys. All you gotta do, take your charcoal fin Kool-Aid, pour it over top of the chunk chicken breast, like so. Now you want to get it good, guys. You want to make sure it's covered good. I like to use 2 to 3 packs to make sure it gives it a very bright color. But I like to use the red cherry, or like we're using today, charcoal fin. Works very well. After all, guys, we are going after the shark of the river. So yeah, you just dust a little bit on here. And now here comes the fun part. Once again, there's only one way to do this, guys. You just got to dig right in. So now I make sure I mix it thorough, get every inch of the chicken breast covered. Now I got it all sorted out here in a bowl, and as you can tell, using my favorite fillet knife I've had for about 10 years now. Now all you're going to do is leave these chunks in a bag. I store them in a Ziploc, put them in the fridge overnight, and the Kool-Aid will soak in the meat. And there you have it, guys. There's my special chicken titties recipe. I call it chicken titties, but remember, guys, it's just chicken breast and Kool-Aid. So that's going to be all, guys. I hope you guys try this. I'm about to get out on the water, see how good this stuff really works. Next video, we'll see what this stuff catches, guys. We're going to give it a whirl. I appreciate everybody coming through, and I'll catch y'all next time. See you.